It's Obi, and we're here for another episode of theCut University. If you ask people what they want in a relationship, it's very likely that loyalty will be the one of the top things they mention. Why? Because loyalty shows dedication to a person, place, or thing. And that dedication is a building block for a strong relationship. Today, we're going to talk about how setting up a loyalty program can build strong and profitable relationships for you and your barbering business. In the US, there are an estimated 3.3 billion loyalty programs that people are enrolled in. That same report confirmed that nearly 90% of the companies offer some version of a loyalty program too. Imagine you leaving the shop early on a Thursday evening to grab a free coffee from Starbucks. Then you take a free flight on United, then stay in a dope hotel by Marriott in a new city, all for free. Rack up enough points in the right reward program, and all this is possible. To do it, you gotta be a very active customer though. Loyalty programs drive customer retention and activity. This can help businesses generate more revenue and increase referrals. 76% of customers believe that loyalty programs strengthen their relationship with the brand. Typically, it's at least 5 times more expensive to find a new customer versus engaging with your old one. That's why driving more repeat business is an easy way to make more while doing less. Plus, 69% of customers say that loyalty programs influence their choice of a company or brand to support. So simply having a program sets you up to get booked more often. In order to increase the return on investment of your loyalty program and overall customer retention, brands and businesses have expanded their rewards to incorporate social and behavioral actions such as referral points and rewards for user-generated content or leaving reviews. They also create custom and personalized experiences for a select set of customers apart from the rest. Now let's run through some numbers. Did you know that 57% of customers join loyalty programs because they want to save money, while 37.5% of them do it to receive rewards? You can set up a loyalty program where clients earn free grooming products from you or free add-on services like a hot towel or aromatherapy. Did you also know that 50% of customers say they change their behavior to experience a higher tier of a customer loyalty program? For example, you sign up for an airline mileage program to reach a level where you can get free seat upgrades. This means you can use your program to have clients get their hair cut more often and leave you more reviews. So how do you set up a loyalty program on theCut? First, you go to your settings, you tap on loyalty programs, you tap on the toggle to enable, then you set your goal, which is basically the number of points you want clients to rack up before they earn their reward. Then you set the reward, which will be the dollar amount that they'll get off for their next haircut. On average, we see barbers set the reward to be about half of the service price, so $15 on a $30 haircut, and it takes clients on average about 6 to 7 visits before they're able to earn their reward. Bottom line is this: if you have happy and satisfied customers, they will continue to buy from you, spend more than others, and they're more stable, meaning they are less likely to complain and or be bad customers, and they're more likely to be brand advocates. Keeping customers coming back for more is critical to business success. By rolling out a dope loyalty program that engages your clients, you can make more and build a strong brand with customers loyal to you. Up next, we're going to chop it up about referral programs and how you can use them to grow your business.
Thank you for watching theCut U. Hit the link below to download theCut today and start your 15-day free trial. Join the other 10,000 barbers who are actively getting discovered by new clients and managing their schedules and transactions. Please hit that subscribe bell, like the video, and share with someone you think will benefit from what we've shared with you today.